facing any problem, just immediately let me know. If I am giving the concerning to others, first try to listen. If you will give the concern answer and you will get the benefit, then you will accept it. And wait for once you will get the chance. Other than simply drop your questions in chat box, I will see and I will come to you. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, so we are coming. We are coming to the matrix part. So see what we have taken yesterday. So yesterday we took this problem. On the basis of this problem, uh, is it visible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So last day, that means yesterday, we took the 14 numbers. That 14 numbers are the 4, 8, 2, 5, 4, 10, 6, 4, 8, 2, 6, 1, 8, 2. And a part of we have added, that is a customized. In a both sides we have added 10, 10. That means in the beginning end as well as the end. In the both sides we have added 10. Now see here, this is the 10 and this is another 10. Then this number 14 numbers become 16. Is it okay? Now come to the next point.
Yes.
Okay, good, Sagarjit. Now come to the next. That is the now we are going for the pairing. So on the basis of a given number, now we are making the pair. The first pair is a 10 to 4. That is a interrelated. We are going the 1 to 2 1 like that. So see here the 10 4, that is the first pair, 4 8 2 the second pair, 8 2 is the third pair, 2 5 is the fourth, 5 4 4 10 10 6 6 4 4 8 2 4 8 8 2 2 6 6 1 1 8 8 2 2 10. So like that. So we made the 15 pairs. Okay, so once you have made these things, then you have to come and you have to draw this chart. This chart is known as the matrix table, Flanders matrix table. Now in this table you have to do the one thing that is directly related to the from pair. In pair there are the two number, one is the left side, another is the right side. The left number you will take as a row and second number you will take as a column. So column, you know, column is the vertical and row means horizontal. So now see the 10 4 is there. On the basis of just take the snaps and draw on your notebook. Draw on your notebook. Is Devanjana Sagarjit? When you people will complete this task, then let me know.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Aprajita.
So, sir, now what you told to do? 10 4 is 16. 10 4 is 16. 16 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 is
So you have draw that one. That means you have written the numbers, then you made the pairs. Pairing work has been completed. Make the pair.
Sir,
Yes, Priyanka.
sir, can you explain again? Please
What yesterday?
construction
What
sentence.
yesterday we have discussed the same things I told to all. Now you have to write on your
Okay.
paper. Okay, write on all those things on
Yes,
paper. Then go
yes,
for
sir.
the table. Frame the table. How
Yes,
to prepare a table. Once you have
yeah.
completed the table, then let me know. And if you have the any problem, then tell me. Then I will stop my presenting. You have to present, and I will tell you what you have to do.
Okay, sir.
Do. And another one notice is there's a today by evening by 6 you will get the one assignment and you have to submit by Monday.
Okay, sir.
So first row horizontally.
First row is the horizontal, a second one is a column. That means in each pair there are the two number is there. The first number will represent horizontal, second will the column or vertical. So pairing part is completed. Then I will show you the table. Now see the table,
Sorry, it's look like
matrix table.
a matrix table. Yes.
This is also known as the Flanders
But
matrix table.
one more thing is like when we make a blueprint,
Why
it is
you will
something
prepare
like
blueprint here? Why will you prepare here blueprint?
no, sir. It's look like that, sir.
That is another thing.
But
That is this is another
yes,
thing.
total number is 15 from the horizontal way and vertical way.
Okay, good. You did this what task.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just okay then good. Just let me just draw these things. Then we
Okay.
have to prepare. No? Okay, so you did. So now go for the next. That is a now task. Now task is started. Now please go for the formula. There are the various formulas are there. So like first one, first let me explain one by one. Then you will go for the solve part. Okay. First you have to problem solving part will come later. First try to understand what is the formula and how will you do. So see, first one is the teacher talk ratio. So teacher talk ratio already we discussed in the computational, just wait here. So see here, teacher talk means here, that means up to 1 to 7. Is it visible? In teacher talk part 1 to
Yes, sir.
7.
Yes, sir.
So you have to take like add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This number means category. Is it okay? This number what I have written here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the number. Now see the table. These are the table. Is it visible?
Sir,
Yes,
visible.
yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
good. Okay, now see the category 1 value is 1. Is it okay? So you will write 1. 2 value is 3. The 1 plus 3. 3 value is 0. That means 1 plus 3 plus 0 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 0. Is it okay?
Sir, again, please repeat.
I can't understand, sir.
Don't understand? Who told to understand? So see, 1 to number already we have discussed here. We have to remember that number. That means on the basis of we have got the code number. Remember it one. Yesterday we have discussed the encoding process. That means code number. We have to remember only in category number only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are the 10 category. We have to remember only 10 digit. So in 10 digit, now the formula is telling that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, because teacher talk here already we have discussed. Teacher talk category is 1 to 7. So what are the values of category 1, category 2, category 3, category 4, category 5? So this is representing here. Now see for the category. Category 1, T is equal to the value. What is the value of category number 1? Category number 2, what is the value that is reflecting here? Category number 3, what is the value reflecting here? So category number 1 to 7, you have to add this number. 1 plus 3 plus 0 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 0. So this is including the 1 to 7. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
good. Good. So you have to write the value by n. N equal to what is? Now see, n equal to already I told what is total number. Total number is means
15.
what is the total number?
15.
15. So write
15.
okay, divided by 15. Written. Yes, Sagarji, written. Clear? The value you have to write like 1 plus 3 plus 0 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus.
Sir, in my area, sir, sound is not clear, sir, now.
Okay.
Maybe,
Then,
sir, network issue, sir.
that it may be. Okay, no problem. Again, just Sagarji, do one thing. Just please come out from your room. So once you will understand any one formula, then you are able to complete the remaining formulas. Okay. So please come out from your room. So you will get the good network.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I am my room, sir, but sir, my near neighbor house, sir, they are constructing some buildings, sir.
Okay, no
That's why,
problem. Just First, you will make sure that you are able to listen my sound. Okay, and you will respond yes
Yes,
or
sir.
no. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Thank you, sir.
Yes, yes.
Sir, all time we write same means 1303
The
1203.
value of the category you have to write, not 1 plus 3. That is a mandatory the same number. So what is the value will come. Now this problem, on the basis of this problem, the value came like that 1303 120302. Okay, Sumanna. So this time on the basis of this problem, it may be the problem will be changed, number will be changed, the finding number will be differ. Clear, Sumanna?
Okay, sir.
Okay, good. So have you made? That means what will be that is the sum of this number?
Yes,
1
sir.
plus what is the sum?
So 66.67.
Okay, good. No, first dear, tell like that. Once you are adding, just the see the just I have
10,
selected
sir,
this
10.
number. Very good. 10.
10
Now you have to write 10 by 15.
by
Okay,
15.
Sumita. 10 by 15 into 100.
Then
It becomes 1000 by 15.
Yes, sir.
Then you will go for the 66.666.
66.66.
Then you
Sorry,
have to write
67.
lastly 66.67.
7.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
good. So now gradually you have to prepare the others. Now take the all those formula and try to solve. I am here only. Once you are completing, then let me know. Okay, so just do it. Then I am preparing your one that is the assignment. And right now, just I am trying to give the today only. So I have to give the three assignment to you people, MA education, then MEd. Okay, so there are 58 students right now. Okay, good. Who has a written message? Just let me know. Nan Bhaumik 60. Okay, good. Swarupa, good. Diksha, okay, that is she said only the sum of 1 to 7. Okay, good. Good, dears. You did a good job. So now please take the all the write down the all the formula like indirect teacher talk ratio, indirect teacher talk ratio, pupil talk ratio. You have to give that one. Like see here, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. You have to find out the what is the value of 1 to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 1 plus 3 plus 0 plus 4 divided by n equal to 15 by 15 into 100. In teacher talk ratio, you have to put out the value 5, 6, 7 category. What is the value of 5, 6, 1, 2, and 0? So you have to add 1 plus 2 plus 0 divided by 15 into 100. Then pupil talk ratio, you have to do like that 8 plus 9. Now see 8 plus 9 value 8 equal to 0, 9 equal to 2. Sorry, 8 equal to 3, 9 equal to 0. So 3 plus 0 equal to 3 divided by what is given? 15 into 100. So do up to this much. Content cross ratio. Then STD, state ratio, I will tell you. No, please don't write here. Okay, please complete your task. Diksha, your value is the ITTT is wrong. Okay, so make it clear. Diksha Majumdar, you made the ITT value is a 66.67. That is wrong. It will be the 700 by 15, 46 point something. Okay.
Yes, sir. Next time I written correct one.
Okay. Yes, yes. Sagarji, that is good. Sumita, that is a wrong answer. If you made the ITT, first one, that is a good. You have written this formula? Dear all, have you written this formula?
Yes, sir.
Good. So I am moving for the next. Now see.
Sir, I can't see anything.
Which one? Now is it visible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
ID is equal to 160.
Just wait, what?
ID is equal to 160. ID means indirect to direct ratio.
Okay. ID. Yes.
1
1
to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4.
divided by 5 plus 6 plus 7.
Okay, divided by. Okay, I thought that into.
No,
Yes, sir.
divided by
Sir,
5 plus 6 plus 7.
Okay.
sir, my answer is quite wrong, sir.
What happened here? Nikita?
Sir, ID. My answer is B.
Sumanna. Okay,
Sir,
first
my
you do.
answer is B.
Do, no problem. First you do, then I will tell. Okay, just I'm preparing your task.
Okay,
One
sir.
task, just I'm preparing for you people. Today is okay, 30, 15, so 20. This was only it.
Sir, all designs, sir.
Good. Okay. So, okay, dear. Now I have prepared your that one assignment. Now I'm giving the submission link. These are the submission link, and already just I will make you mail right now. So now if you have any problem, then please tell me. And do one thing, just compile what you can.
Sir, last one. Steady state ratio.
Yesterday tested. Very good. That good question.
Sir, I have
Now
a
see.
problem.
Yes, please, Sagarjit.
सर टीचर क्वेश्चन रेशियो पे जो आपने 4/100 लिखा है,
Teacher question is okay, good.
सर 4 क्या मैं मैट्रिक्स से वैल्यू पुट करूँ या फिर यहाँ पर डायरेक्ट
No,
100
no, no.
जैसा कि
See, Sagarjit, what numbers I have written that is related to the category. You have to put the value of 4.
फ्रॉम
So
द
you,
मैट्रिक्स टेबल सर?
yes, yes, the 4 value is the 3 here, na?
यस सर.
So 3 divided by 4 plus 5. Now see the questions. 4 into this one, na question. 4 into 100
Yes
by
sir.
4 plus 5. That means value 4 divided by 4 plus 5 into 100. Now see the table. 4 is 3. Okay. So
Yes sir.
3 by 3 plus 1 into 100.
Yes sir.
Okay, that value you have to put.
Yes.
Okay, now the another question that is Diksha C asked. Now see dear, steady state ratio means 1 1 2 2 3 3 like that is there na. Now come the table. Now see this value you have to put 1 1 means this one. This is the known as the, this part is known as the raw, and this part is known as the up to down, that is the
column.
Column.
just wait. Okay, so vertically that is known as the column, this is known as the row. So 1 1 that means you have to take from the both row and column. 1 1 the value will become here, value is 0. Again in go for in a 2 2 2 again the value is 0. 3 3 value is 0. 4 4 value is 0. 5 5 value is 0. 6 6 value is, what is the value? 7 7 8 8 9 9 10 10. Okay Diksha, got it?
Okay, sir.
Then that by divided into n equal to 15, that is given here, the 15. Okay,
Okay, sir.
good. So now I have to take, now any other question is there, then please ask.
Sir,
Yes, please.
so show the before slide.
Tell. Okay, just wait. Diksha, what is your, why it is coming wrong? Okay, dear, just do one thing. Just I am giving the, putting the mail. The some number ID it shows the wrong. It may be the Diksha Majumdar, Devanjana Bhanja, Khakshangma Debarma, Subham Sinha, Anupam Majumdar, Rasna Debarma, then Sumanna Dev. So please you may collect from your friend. Okay.
What, sir?
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, explain again the steady state ratio.
Just wait, dear. Just wait 1 minute. Hmm. Okay, last one. Okay, sir. PI value. Okay, just I'm telling. Okay, Sumita, your question is a STD partner. Now see here
Yes,
that
sir.
one. So that is the row part, that is the column part. So the value is in that STD 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4 like that. So you have to come in a 1, 1, 1. This will become the value if he is there. Then second value here, third value here, fourth value here. The value is 0. That means nothing value is given. That means the value will be 0.
Yes.
So like that you have to do. Then other thing is there divided by n. N equal to
And
15.
okay,
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 so
okay.
0 by
Yes.
15 into 100. Okay,
Okay. Sir, every time it should be 0 or
it may be just it depends on
it may
your
be.
table. Na? It depends on your table.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay, another
So
someone
here
is
the
asked. Just wait. One is asked about the PIR value. Just PIR value you have to find out here. Now see PIR value equal to 9 by the value you have to find out the 9. What is the value of 9? The 0. Then 8 plus 7. So what is the value of 8 by 7? 8 plus 7. 8 equal to 3, 0. So 0 divided by 3 into 100. Clear? Those who are willing to that one, the PIR value, that means 0 by 3 into 100. It will come according to this table. Then another questions came. SSR. You have to find out why you are asking to me SSR and other things. SSR, now see here. That means all are 0. The 0 by 15 into 100. What will be the answer? You have to find out. Huh?
so
0 by
0.
15 into 100.
So sir, here the answer is 0 now.
That is a infinite. Na? That means you have to keep that one. Why you will keep the 0? 0 divided the some number is there. Na? Then that is a relative 0, you may say that. But that is not a value, is a 0. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, any other question? Okay, just please see the check your email. I have given the mail right now. That assignment already I have given to you people. So some people they did not received. So please just those who have not received, please ask to your friend. Those who will get the please pass it. Okay. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. Priyanka received. So Priyanka, those who will ask, just please forward your mail. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sumanna, you will not get it. Actually, that error is coming in my mail. So better just you may ask to the Priyanka. Priyanka, just please forward to the Sumanna. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Priyanka, that is Sumanna Devanja. Then one Anju Majumdar. Some Majumdar is there, na? Anupam Majumdar, I hope. That student they did not get. Even Subham also he did not get. Okay, just please check your mail. Those who will not get, just please let me know on my WhatsApp. Then I will see that things. Okay. Yes, Diksha, you also you did not receive. I know. So please let me know on that one, the WhatsApp group. So your friend or I will again try to send you. Okay, now any other question is there, then please tell. Other than, please drop your ID here. So on the basis of today's mathematics, I have given an assignment to you people. The deadline is the 20th December. That is the coming Sunday, midnight.
Okay, sir.
Okay, good. So please drop your ID in a sequential order. Please drop. So many times some students, they are dropping in a twice and thrice, not in a sequential order. Yes.
सर आपने जो अभी टेबल दिया है ना सर वो का एग्जाम में नहीं हम लोगों को
सर
I don't know. I don't know. That is not a question. Okay, Sumana, this is not a question. You have to prepare. It may be, it may not be.
Sir, what is
Yes.
the last date of assignment submission?
20, dear, 20th December.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Sunday, coming Sunday midnight.
Sir,
Yes.
सर SSR पे अगर सर
hello.
सर
Yes, yes, President. Yes,
वन
Sagarjit,
के
first.
तरफ अगर कोई वैल्यू होगा
Then you will get no problem. Suppose that value
Sir.
will come 1 or 2. Okay,
यस
Sagarjit.
सर 1
Then-
2 3 4 लाइक
It may be the number will be there, then divided by the total number.
ओके सर
Then into 100.
इनटू 100 ओके सर
Yes. Yes, what?
Sir,
थैंक यू सर
To make a calculation.
Sumita, what?
Then the calculation.
Oh, actually, your sound is not coming. Please write in chat box. Sumita, please write in chat box. Yes, Aprajita, what is your question?
Sir, can you please tell us the right answers?
Which one? Today? Not tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll discuss again.
ओके सर
Okay, sir.
Tomorrow again we will discuss one by one all. Then tomorrow we are going to discuss the another chapter. That means this week. That means tomorrow and day after tomorrow. We are going to complete our syllabus.
Okay.
Okay. On Monday onwards we will go for the revision. So next 4 days, in the next week, you will get the revision class. If you have any questions from the any syllabus, that means 46 session, you may ask.
ओके सर
Okay, sir.
So just today you have
Thank
to
you.
try. Once you again you have to sit. Okay, dear all. Again you have to sit with this problem. If you are getting time, then try to again solve it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and if you are facing any problem, then tomorrow again we will discuss. No need to worry. I am here now. I will help you. Okay, so thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
थैंक यू सर
Thank you, sir.
सर वन क्वेश्चन
Yes, please. Yes, Ankita. Just Priyanka.
Sir, I already read down on the
Chat
chat
box.
box.
Okay, just wait.
Yes,
Wait,
sir.
Sumita, just time. Let me see. Sumita, questions. We have to make the table first and then the calculation. Yes, yes, dear. Yes. Tomorrow again, I will tell you one thing that is very important. In tabular form, what is the percentage of category number 1? Tomorrow we will discuss. So there are the 10 categories there, na? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So what is the percentage value of category number 1? What is the percentage value of category number 5, 6, 10 like that? And total value will be 100 or approx 100. So tomorrow we will discuss that one.
Sir,
सर
I have
yes.
one question.
Yes,
Sir,
yes.
what
Aparajita, yes.
what we done today's class, like the calculation, is it
We have to send you, no?
No, not required.
okay,
Just
sir.
prepare it tomorrow. Tomorrow I will ask. You have to put the answer, and you may ask just simply, sir, my answer is that one. If any wrong is there, then you may ask to your friend.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so you have to
Thank you, sir.
prepare all those questions and write down the answers. Tomorrow I will ask what is the value of this formula, then you have to tell.
Okay, sir. Written, sir.
Yes, yes. Any other question? No question. Okay,
No,
good.
sir.
Okay,
No,
good.
sir.
Thank you very much. Now I have to
Okay,
join
thank
another
you.
class. Please. Please, you may leave. Okay, have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.